माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपके लिए गुड न्यूज़ लाया हूं। किसके बारे में लाया हूं आपको मालूम है क्या? हम सभी इंतजार कर रहे हैं यूजीसी नेट का एग्जाम कब होगा। एग्जाम कब होगा तो हमको अब तक पता नहीं है, किंतु कुछ लोग जो लोग एप्लीकेशन नहीं फिलअप करने तो उनके लिए तो ये तो गुड न्यूज़ होगा। क्या वो गुड न्यूज़? लेट अस सी दिस। नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी के द्वारा कंडक्ट करने वाले यूजीसी नेट का डेट, actually it is last date today, but it is extended. Is it extended or just today it's going to be closed? Let us see that last date extended. So last date कब होगा? What is last date for this exam? Let us see. लास्ट डेट इनका एग्जाम्स के लिए पोस्टपोन किया, एक्सटेंड किया। इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी पीएचडी एंड ओपन मैट एमबीए एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन डेट भी एक्सटेंड किया और जून 15 तक टाइम है। अब तक को जो एप्लीकेशन नहीं बना सके तो वे लोग अभी फिलअप कर सकते हैं। इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च आईसीएआर एग्जाम का भी एक्सटेंड डेट, एप्लीकेशन का डेट फिलअप करने के लिए एक्सटेंड किया गया है। वे लोग भी, जो लोग नहीं किए, सभी लोग को ये तो एक गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है। वो मिस हुए अब आवेदन पत्र भरने के लिए वो मिस किए, वे लोग अब भर सकते हैं। वैसे जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन JNUE 2020 एग्जाम का फिल एप्लीकेशन टाइम भी बढ़ाया है। यूजीसी नेट, बहुत सारे लोग ये सारे देश में इंतजार करने वाले, कुछ लोग अरे डेट पता नहीं चला, एक्सटेंड डेट मालूम नहीं हुआ। जो लोग ऑलरेडी फिलअप के, आप कृपया दूसरों को भी बता दीजिए, उनको भी मौका दे दीजिए, वे लोग भी एग्जाम लिख सके। तो इनको पता चला तो इस एग्जाम का एप्लीकेशन डेट, आवेदन पत्र का डेट पोस्टपोन किया, जून 15 तक है। जून 15 लास्ट डेट। जॉइंट CSIR यूजीसी नेट CSIR एग्जाम जो बच्चे जो कैंडिडेट्स लिखना चाहते हैं उनको भी एक मौका है, गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी। They should not miss this golden opportunity. Please utilize this. The last date is extended till June 15th. So my dear friends, these are websites. Here you can check these websites. Email for any clarification you can mail to these people. These are email IDs. You can see this notification. This is last today only, just half an hour before only we got this public notice was released by MHRD. It is very, very, very latest information. You can see this information on NTA website, NTA UGC Net website. It is posted on website also. This slide is taken from them only, from the UGC Net website only. So guys, please go back to that NTA UGC Net. You can check this, all the details which are exams date is extended. So please inform to your friends and share this information. They also will not miss this golden opportunity. They also will get opportunity to attempt the exam. God knows, we don't know, if they put effort, many people can be qualified for junior research fellowship or at least assistant professor. So friends, so it's very good news really for all of us. But the UGC NET did not inform us. MHRD did not inform about the exam dates and all. Let us wait, but before that, let us do preparation in a proper way to achieve our goal. So for new candidates, these are the instructions how to do. How will it be? If you go to UGC Net website, NT UGC Net website, you find there new registration, this slide, you button there, fill up online application form, click on that, and if you click on that, this page will be displayed. There are two boxes. in first box new registration, everybody, whoever want to register or apply for this exam, they have to register. They have to register, even though they wrote 3 times, 4 times, or they wrote December 2019 exam also. If they are not qualified, they have. If they are qualified, not qualified also. If whoever want to write exam, everybody should fill up this new registration. Through this only they have to fill up. Here there are 4 steps inside after in this process to complete this application process online. Apply for online register. Here your details will be asked, email ID, phone number and all. After fill up online application form, then your marks, qualification, educational qualifications will be asked. PG marks, how many marks are you got? If you did not get, if you did not complete PG, you are in first semester, for example, you are in first year, then just you can write appeared, option will be there, appeared. So next you need to upload your photo, that size will be given there, and signature, both you should. So before going to online exam, this video will be so useful for you, because whatever needed here, I'm explaining all these details. So first of all, your Aadhaar card or any government card you should keep with you before completing this process, and your qualification certificates, educational qualification certificates, past certificates, you need to keep it with you. And next, photo and signature on paper, you have to scan it and keep it ready with you. Then payment for do payment examination fee, debit card, credit card, or any app, that anything you have to keep. So if you keep all this with you and sit together at a time, you can finish it within 20 minutes or half an hour, guys. So it doesn't take much time. You can do all these things from through your mobile or laptop or desktop. You must have internet so that you can complete. You don't need to go to internet center outside. Just follow these steps, easy to fill up online application. So guys and my friends, don't miss this opportunity. Please fill up this application for this June 2020. And next, to whoever completed, they can register here, sign in. They will get application number and password. Password you have to keep very strong password. And next, this application number you have to know. Obviously, you will get a mail about your application and all after payment is done. So you have to remember, because when after exams you want to check your results, you have to log in through sign in only. You have to post, you have to type your application number, and you have to remember password. Whatever you are going to give now password to that, you have to remember during results time, and enter security pin, and just you can follow this application. Forgot, for in case if you forgot application number or password, here those 2 options are given below. You can click on that. It may ask you about what your email ID. So what during application time, here registration time, whatever email ID you would you gave, that email ID only you have to give here. Then you will get some password link. Then you can generate a new password and you can sign in again. If you send, what will be displayed, all your details will be displayed there. Okay guys, so this is about complete application. And who are eligible to apply for this means who are in first year. Even who are in first year also they can complete, but they have to complete within 2 years after giving the results given date. From that results given date, if you are qualified, suppose for example, suppose you are qualified for JRF, Junior Research Fellowship Scholarship, you are qualified for that, but you are in first year, you didn't write exams. But the rule what is telling us that from the results given date, from there within 2 years you have to complete and submit your mark list to NTUGC process, so that you will receive certificate about of your JRF qualified JRF certificate. Otherwise that results will be invalid. There is no value for your past results. Okay, so candidates, even it's an opportunity for first year candidates also, you can do practice. It's kind of practice for us. Of course, fees details are mentioned in notification. Go to UGC NTUGC net website. You find their notification completely, and what are subjects there. What are your subject codes, what is syllabus of paper 1, paper 2, everything is given in notification. Whoever, and moreover that, here see, first year exam pattern. First paper 50 marks, 50 bits will be given in first paper. Before we were having the break between first paper to second and third paper. Now we are not having any kind of break. It's completely one sitting exam, 3 hours exam. First morning session, 2 sessions will be there, completely online exam. In that online 3 hours time, we will be getting 50 bits in first paper. In first paper, 10 units will be there. It is common general paper for any kind of stream. Maybe English, psychology, sociology, education, Sanskrit, Telugu, whatever it may be, Hindi. So it is common paper for all, general paper, common syllabus, same syllabus for all streams. So there's no confusion in this on first paper, and second paper will be your subject paper. So what is your subject? What is your subject code? What is your syllabus? Nowadays, recently, UGC net NTA testing agency changed some changes, did some changes in all subjects. So you have to follow updated syllabus. So please keep it in mind, friends. So altogether, you will be having 3 hours time. In this 3 years, second paper, you will be getting 100 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So altogether 150 bits you will be having for 300 marks. You have to get at least, it depends on your subject category, subject wise, how much in previous years, what is cut off. You check, it is available in the internet, in Google, you will get that cut-off marks of your subject. So as per that, you can plan. This is the thing, my dear friends. Morning session and afternoon session, 2 sessions will be in a day. That UGC, NT mentions that in time, date, where to go, everything will be mentioned in your hall ticket. So I hope that this time we will be getting much time for getting preparation. So friends, it's good opportunity for us. Don't lose this opportunity. And next, you can see that previous papers. You can see here in this URL nta.ac.in/downloads. If you type it like this in your Google, you will be getting this type of web page. There you can search year-wise exam type, UGC NET or CSIR or IGNOU, whatever NTA conducting exams. That exam will name will be shown here, will be displayed. After paper 1 or paper 2, you can check, you can mention that model paper will come. Okay, so previous papers you can check what is that, and general paper for that, download mock test paper also you can download for practice children. And the next, here you see downloads, here it will be like this. I said no, what type of data you have to give, you have to put here. So then you will be getting papers, download options will be like this. Okay, next. So for mock test is very important for getting success children. You want to clear in first attempt only JRF, UGC NET, you want to get JRF or NLR. For JRF, there is age limit. Now it is extended, I think so, till 30 years to get a JRF fellowship. So see that conditions in detail in the notification. Okay. For assistant professor, there is no age limit for that. Anytime any person can attempt this exam. If you must have the PG qualification, that's it. That of more than 55 marks OC, and BC or others, I think more than 50% marks, you must, these marks are eligible for attempting this exam. So my dear friends, keep these rules and conditions in your mind, and for getting more details, go through that NT-UGC NET website and find the notification, that you will find all the details. Okay, here mock test, this exam is not offline exam. Previously we used to get OMR sheets where we used to bubble. It was taking so much of time. Now that after digitalization, recently, I mean, since 2 years they have been conducting this exam through online. So all subjects will be having online exams only. There is no offline exam. Please understand. Whoever are attempting first time, please understand, there is no offline exam. Completely 2 papers will be attempting through online only. So you are getting printout of previous papers and practicing in your book, in your rough book or something. You are doing so much of practice. If you don't have practice of Usenet exam through online, it will be difficult while you writing exam, because offline practice is different, online practice is different. The way of thinking also will be different. So my dear friends, you have to attempt, you need to attempt this mock test, so that you will get that what is time. So for example, you are in first question, you have doubt, you don't know the answer, you have you should not wait for that first question answer, you will go to second question. So if you go to second question, or fifth, you are in fifth bit, you remember the first question answer. So how to come back? Okay, or you want to correct your first question's answer, your option was not A, option should be B, so you got the right answer in your mind. So how to come back and correct the option, correct the right option? So these things you must know, otherwise time will be wasted, you will be tensed in you are if you are tensed, you will forget all the subject. So before that only you need to practice. You see, Sachin Tendulkar or some any player played for 300 matches, 400 matches, then also they do net practice, then only they go to play for final match in the ground. Am I right or not? Even though Federer in tennis, Rafael Nadal, or Vishwanath Anand in chess, anybody does practice. After practice only, they go to final match. Am I right, children? Am I right, candidates? So, mock test is very important for getting success. So, till now you heard about that that good news that date is extended, and how to fill up the application, what will be asked in the application, in the registration form, just we have discussed, and the syllabus, previous papers, how to download. I showed that website also, and the importance of mock test. So friends, let's say have planning properly, uh, easy to get easy to clear this Usenet June 2020. Okay, good luck guys for your exam, and do the best. Okay, please inform to your friends who did not fill up, so that they also will get opportunity. If you like this video, please subscribe button will be option will be below the video, and just click on the bell symbol and share. You share to your friends and click it. If you like, please click this thumb. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed, you came to know more details about Usenet extend date. And not only this one, IGNOU exam is extended, that entrance test, please go through the details. So Shubham Bhuyat, Jai Hind.